Hey everyone, I'm Trang, and today we're tackling a common laundry dilemma: how to get your whites sparkling clean without resorting to harsh bleach. While bleach is a tried and true treatment for whitening clothes, it can be corrosive and damaging to the skin, eyes, and hair. Here's what you can use instead. We're diving deep into the world of bleach alternatives, exploring 8 top-rated products on Amazon that promise to brighten your whites without the harsh side effects. First up, we're looking at a powerhouse in the world of laundry: OxiClean White Revive Laundry Whitener and Stain Remover. It's designed to tackle stubborn stains and yellowing. This big tub is cost-effective and lasts for ages, safe for both colors and whites, but it has a strong scent. If you're sensitive to fragrances, be cautious. Now let's talk about its stain-fighting power. I tested it on tough stains, tomato sauce, coffee spills, and was impressed with the results. It left my white clothes brighter and fresher. OxiClean White Revive dissolves quickly and works in all water temperatures. Add it to your wash cycle or pre-treat heavily soiled items. Sprinkle on the stain, rub gently, and wash. OxiClean White Revive is a powerful and reliable bleach alternative. Next up, we're traveling back in time with a product that your grandma probably swore by: Mrs. Stewart's Concentrated Liquid Bluing. This little bottle holds a powerful secret for keeping your whites looking their brightest. Bluing agents deposit tiny blue particles onto the fabric, counteracting yellowing. Mrs. Stewart's bluing is highly concentrated, so a little goes a long way. Dilute it in cold water before adding it to your washing machine. This little bottle will last you for ages, making it budget-friendly. And when it comes to effectiveness, it's hard to beat this classic. On Amazon, it boasts an impressive 4.4-star average rating. People appreciate its simplicity, affordability, and its ability to make their whites sparkle. It's a classic for a reason, and it's a product that stood the test of time. Now let's move on to a product that's a true multitasker: Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda. If you're looking for a versatile cleaning agent that can tackle everything from laundry to dishes to even bathroom grime, then you need to add this to your arsenal. Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda is a powerful cleaning agent that's been used for generations. It's made from sodium carbonate, which is effective at breaking down grease, removing odors, and softening hard water. And unlike some other laundry products, it's unscented, making it a great choice for people with sensitivities. When it comes to laundry, Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda can be used in a variety of ways. You can add it to your wash cycle along with your regular detergent to boost its cleaning power, or use it as a pre-soak for heavily soiled items. But here's the thing: Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda is not just limited to laundry. It's also a fantastic all-purpose cleaner for your kitchen sink, garbage disposal, or bathroom tiles. Overall, Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a powerful, versatile, and affordable cleaning agent. Chapter 4. Molly's Suds Oxygen Whitener. Gentle, yet effective. For those with sensitive skin or a preference for natural cleaning products, Molly's Suds Oxygen Whitener is a fantastic option. This plant-derived whitener is free of harsh chemicals, chlorine, and fragrances, making it a gentle choice for both your clothes and your skin. One of the standout features of Molly's Suds Oxygen Whitener is its commitment to using safe and gentle ingredients. It's free of chlorine, bleach, dyes, phosphates, SLS, and other harsh chemicals that can irritate sensitive skin. Despite its gentle nature, Molly's Suds Oxygen Whitener is surprisingly effective at whitening clothes and removing stains. It uses the power of oxygen to lift away dirt and grime, leaving your whites looking brighter and fresher. Plus, it's color safe, so you can use it on both your white and colored loads without worry. Another thing I love about this product is its subtle lemon scent. When it comes to tackling tough stains, Molly's Suds Oxygen Whitener might require a bit more patience than some other products on our list. It's most effective when used as a pre-soak for heavily soiled items. Overall, Molly's Suds Oxygen Whitener is a top-rated choice for those seeking a gentle yet effective bleach alternative. Chapter 5. Grab Green Bleach Alternative Pods. Convenient and eco-friendly. In a world obsessed with convenience, Grab Green Bleach Alternative Pods deliver on their promise of hassle-free laundry. These pre-portioned pods are packed with a powerful blend of mineral-based ingredients that work to brighten whites and remove stains. One of the things that sets Grab Green Bleach Alternative Pods apart is their commitment to using eco-friendly ingredients. These pods are free of chlorine bleach, phosphates, phthalates, and optical brighteners, making them a safer choice for both your family and the environment. The pre-portioned pods eliminate the need for measuring, making laundry day a breeze. Simply toss a pod into your washing machine drum before adding your clothes, and you're good to go. While Grab Green Bleach alternative pods are effective at brightening whites and removing light to moderate stains, they might not be the best choice for heavily soiled items. Overall, Grab Green Bleach alternative pods offer a convenient and eco-friendly way to brighten your whites and keep your laundry smelling fresh. Chapter 6. Borax, the multi-purpose cleaning marvel. Next, we're talking about a product that's been a staple in households for generations. Borax 20 Mule Team Laundry Booster. This multi-purpose cleaning marvel is a must-have for any laundry room, and it's earned its place on our list of top-rated bleach alternatives. Borax, also known as sodium borate, is a naturally occurring mineral that boasts a wide range of cleaning and laundry benefits. It's a natural deodorizer, stain remover, and water softener, making it a versatile addition to your laundry routine. One of the key benefits of using borax in your laundry is its ability to neutralize odors. It effectively neutralizes both acidic and alkaline odors, leaving your clothes smelling fresh and clean. Borax is also a natural stain remover, effectively lifting away dirt, grime, and even stubborn stains like blood or grass. It works by breaking down the molecules that cause stains, making them easier to remove during the wash cycle. Another notable benefit of borax is its ability to soften hard water. Hard water can leave your clothes feeling stiff and scratchy, but borax helps to counteract this by softening the water and preventing mineral buildup on your fabrics. If you're looking for a multi-purpose cleaning marvel that can tackle a wide range of laundry needs, Borax 20 Mule Team Laundry Booster is definitely worth adding to your arsenal. Chapter 7. Hydrogen Peroxide, a powerful whitener with multiple uses. Now let's move on to a product that you might already have in your medicine cabinet, hydrogen peroxide. This versatile liquid isn't just for disinfecting cuts and scrapes, it's also a surprisingly effective bleach alternative. Hydrogen peroxide works as a whitening agent by breaking down the chemical compounds that cause stains and discoloration. It's particularly effective on organic stains like blood, sweat, and food spills. When using hydrogen peroxide as a bleach alternative, it's important to choose a concentrated solution, typically around 3%. However, for laundry purposes, it's crucial to dilute the hydrogen peroxide with water before adding it to your wash. A general rule of thumb is to mix 1 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide with 1 gallon of water. You can add the diluted hydrogen peroxide to your washing machine along with your regular detergent. Beyond its laundry benefits, hydrogen peroxide is also a fantastic disinfectant and can be used to clean and sanitize various surfaces around your home. If you're looking for a powerful yet affordable bleach alternative that can also serve multiple purposes around your home, hydrogen peroxide is definitely worth considering. Chapter 8. Baking Soda, the gentle giant of laundry. Finally, let's talk about a product that's a true staple in many eco-friendly homes, baking soda. This pantry essential is a gentle yet effective bleach alternative that can help brighten your whites and keep your laundry smelling fresh. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a naturally occurring mineral that's been used for centuries for its cleaning and deodorizing properties. It's a gentle abrasive that can help lift away dirt and grime, and it also has the ability to neutralize odors. When it comes to laundry, baking soda works in several ways to brighten your whites. First, it helps to regulate the pH balance of your wash water, preventing it from becoming too acidic or alkaline. This helps to prevent colors from fading and whites from yellowing. Second, baking soda acts as a natural softener, helping to remove hard water deposits from your clothes. This can leave your whites looking brighter and feeling softer. To use baking soda as a bleach alternative, simply add half a cup to a cup of baking soda to your washing machine, along with your regular detergent. Overall, baking soda is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a gentle yet effective bleach alternative. So, there you have it. 8 top-rated products on Amazon that can help you achieve sparkling white laundry without the harsh effects of bleach. These products offer effective whitening without the harsh effects of bleach. Whether you're looking for a powerful stain remover, a gentle alternative for sensitive skin, or an eco-friendly option, there's a product on this list for you. Give these top-rated products a try and keep your whites looking bright and fresh without the risks associated with bleach. Experiment and find the one that best suits your needs and preferences. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and product recommendations.